the bass of that song is awesome. Ooh, that move. Always nice to have clouds in the shots. Hey Internet, Felix here, I hope you had a superb day. This submission comes from Amit Horo. You can find the channel and the link to the video in the description. That's already a very calm feeling. I like it. Oh, the bass of that song is awesome. Backwards Waterfall. Love it. Yeah, some long exposure shots. Perfect. Ooh, that move. Hyperlapses as well? Awesome. Ooh, that sound, I like it. That focus sound. Again, backwards. What's happening? Some nice time lapses. Always nice to have clouds in the shots. Wow. Awesome colors. Thank you Amit for submitting and creating your video. Now let's talk about your video. First up, the transitions. I saw jump cuts, I saw wipe transitions and also some pan transitions. Besides that, there were masking transitions, which I always appreciate, as well as speed ramp transitions. Really good amount of different transitions, which gave it that really nice flow. And also a very good structure to follow throughout the video. Music choice. Perfect choice for a traveling video, which I bet this was. Songs with lyrics always have a deeper impact on the whole feeling of the video, since most of the people understand the lyrics and associate it with it. And this also has some magical mystery feeling to this place. I really like your choice. Camera movement. Mostly you used some steady shots and also panning motion. You kept the camera as steady as possible, but at some points I could see the little shake come through. Even with the warp stabilizer on. I would incorporate a little bit more a gimbal or a tripod into your shots. Color grade. I like the overall color grading, but there were some points in the video where the color was cold and others where the color was too warm. It especially stood out to me when there were like jump cuts happening in between the different shots. Cold and warm shots don't really fit very good together. I would either take the warm shots for a completely different video or grade them to a way that it fits. Sound design. You use plenty of sounds. I like the variety of it, but what you would have to do is use some J or L cuts to the sound effects. This way the sounds don't have an abrupt ending, they more fade into the next shot or the shot before. Also, some sounds have been a little bit too loud. For example, that eagle sound effect, eagle scream, eagle scout, how is it called? I don't remember. Composition. The camera was set very good and the shots were in frame. Nothing is really noticeably out of frame or clipping. Last but not least, the creativity. I'm really blown away by how many different shot types you actually used. There have been wide shots, medium shots, close-up shots. Then you've used aerial shots. Additional to that, you used time lapses and hyperlapses. Really awesome work on that. Very mystical and cinematic video. Amit, let me know what you think of my words and you guys what you think of the video. If you want to submit a video yourself, then check out the description or the cards above me. Thank you for submitting and watching along with me. If you want to improve your editing and filmmaking skills, then subscribe now to get notified about new content every week. Also, don't forget to check out the end card after this video to see some of my creations. Thank you and see you in the next video.